Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to fix the system can't find the file specified error. So friends, to resolve this problem, click on Start, Settings and check for updates. So Windows Update and update if update is available, and after that just restart. So download and install all update requirement files, then restart. So this is the first method. Second one, click on Start, Settings and here click on Troubleshoot, this one. So open Troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. Here you will see the Windows Update. So run troubleshooter on Windows Update and follow the instruction which you see in this screen. So this is the second method. After once you complete, restart your system. Third method, click on Start, search here CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type sfc /scan now. So type this command line and press enter and complete this scanning. It will take a few minutes, so complete this scanning and restart. And fourth method guys, you can try, click on Start, open File Explorer. Now this PC, here click on this C drive, then here click on this Windows folder, and here guys you need to find out software distribution. So open this folder, select this old file and delete. Now close it and restart your system. So this is the way guys to fix the system can't find the file specified error. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.